1, 2, 3.
Ho, ho, ho!
Hi, welcome back, or hey, I am Rebecca, and today we're going to be doing a different-ish video. My two nieces and nephew are coming over today, and we are going to be doing some crafts. We're going to go be looking at Christmas lights, and they're staying the night. So I thought, why the heck? Let's bring you guys along and you can see, and maybe you can take this idea and run with it for yourself. If you want to do this for yourself, or if you want to bring friends or family or whoever. But first things first, gotta get the craft together before they actually get here. I got this pre-made craft pack at Walmart. How fun is this? I don't really have to do much except help with decorating. I don't have to cook anything. I don't have to buy extra supplies. Everything is in here. And I thought this would be so fun. It's gonna get messy. It's gonna get gooey. It's gonna get sticky, but that's what being a kid's about. So I'm sure all the parents are like, yeah, sure. But I'm just an aunt, and I feel like this is a very aunt thing to do. So I'm gonna unpack all of this stuff, kind of get it set up before they get here. Okay, here's the setup. These pre-made gingerbread, they're ornaments. They're a gingerbread ornament, so they're gonna decorate these, and they all have holes in them. Comes with some string. I don't know if we're actually gonna do the ornament thing, but they might just kind of be for more a fun thing to do. But we got trees, we got gingerbread men, we got snowman, and Santa. And so it comes with all of this, and it comes with these icing pins, and these green, red, and white sprinkles, some blue and white snowflake sprinkles, and these ball candies. I don't know if there's anything in them, but this is what comes with the whole pack. So not bad. Come here. Look at your scarf. Let me see. Let me see. Jade. Jade. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful girl. That scarf was actually for Wilson when he came from grooming today, but he kept stepping on it, so I put it on Jade. They just put these random stuff on them when you take them to the groomers. Anyways, Layla's barking, so everybody wants to go outside. Coming inside? Layla? She is the pot stirrer. She just barks into the wind, hoping someone will hear her.
The trees.
Saylee, what gingerbreads did you get?
I didn't get all of it.
Bubba? This is a gingerbread man and a Christmas tree. Zoe, what did you get?
Gingerbread and Christmas tree.
Buddy, what did you get?
Gingerbread and Christmas.
Good job. Use your knife to spread it.
Put some on this hand.
Where are you gonna put your white icing? Is it good icing?
Yeah, when's Christmas?
Is it good, Zoe?
It's good to meet you.
Is it good, Zay? Did you get is your Christmas tree done, Zoe? Or Zaylee?
I just have to mix it up.
We just have to mix it up.
See?
excited as Santa Claus. Zoe, are you still working on yours? Yeah?
I did my gingerbread.
You did your gingerbread? What is the artist's direction here? Did you just do tie-dye? And all the buttons?
Yes.
And have you worked on the tree yet? Have you worked on your Christmas tree yet?
I'm going to.
Is it good? Don't eat it, you gotta decorate with it.
Yeah. I need more than
This, here, use this place.
Hello.
Merry Christmas, baby.
John's tree. Looks so good.
Your
Yours
tree
looks so good. I love it. I think we're just eating the icing at this point, which is fine. That's what it's about.
I need more.
I think that's it, buddy. You're done. You want to show us all your cookies?
Yes.
Okay, which one's which?
What shape is this one?
Tree.
Tree.
Good job.
Santa.
Yeah.
What shape is this one?
I need that color. Can you give me green? A color.
A snowman?
better be apple.
Okay, show me your cookies. They're so beautiful. Good job.
Me?
What?
Well, I was doing this one. This one's always dry.
It's okay. Well, we need to dry it a little bit more. Okay. That's so good.
Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.
Wow, those are perfect.
The snow is laying 2 feet deep.
All right, so we have Zion's here. That one's Aunt Bee's and John's. This one's Zoe's. This one's Zaylin's. Yep, you got 2 plates.
This is the best day ever! Look this way! Look at that beautiful one!
Wow,
Hi, Santa! Hi, reindeers! Hi, Mr. Snowman! Hello, Snowman! To the Snowman family?
and the nutcrackers and that big old ornament